Hey guys, so we get the question a lot this time of the year, which we're in November, why the grass turns brown. And we're here in Central Texas, and if you're in other parts of the country, it could be different for you, but here we are mainly warm season turf grass varieties, and most of them are going to fall under the Bermuda, the St. Augustine, and the Zoysia category. We've got some Buffalo and a couple other varieties out there, but they're all the same. They are a warm season turf grass. There will be a few people that can manage a cool season turf grass, but with our water restrictions and the heat that we get, it is very difficult. But so what's happening is the daylight is shortening the amount of time that we have during the day, which activates basically it's genetics in the plant, and with the cooler soil temperatures, it starts to go dormant. So the plant, the actual leaf tissue starts to shut down. Just like an animal kind of hibernates, it goes into a sleep mode. The grass is not dead, just the top leaf material is. The actual grass plant is still healthy. It stores up nutrients and carbohydrates for the winter time. It'll still take in water throughout the winter. That's why we still need to water the grass. Even may not need very much, but it still requires it in the winter time. So this is why you're seeing it turn brown. Just the leaf material is dying, but the actual plant is just fine. That's why we get a late summer, early fall fertilizer down on there to give it a little bit more energy for the winter. And it's also why we stop some of the cultivation practices like aerifying, top dressing this time of the year, because it's not going to recover from anything we do to it. But it is still perfectly alive. There are some other things that we want to, like the watering. Normally I recommend, if we're not getting rain like right now, which I don't even know the last time we had rain, you want to water probably once a week, with us still getting up into the 80s. Once we get cold, once we get to that December, January, February time, you could probably back that down to every other week. Most controllers won't allow you to do that, depending on the type you have, so sometimes you have to manually turn it off. If we're getting rains like normally, you can almost turn it off as long as you get rain at least once every other week once we get cold enough. Right now we're still getting into the 80s. Nighttime temperatures have dropped, but so everything's kind of going dormant, but still needs water at least once a week right now. So that's what you're seeing with the grass. It's you're not seeing anything dying, any problems with it. It's just doing what it does. It goes dormant, and sometimes we need to still kind of mow on occasion to clean it up, and you may have leaves that need to get chopped up or anything like that. But if you have any questions, just leave in the comments below and we can get it answered for you, and you'll have a good day. Thanks.